Hi, my name is Taylor Torres, and today we'll be doing one upper body extremity exercise and one lower body extremity exercise. So for the first lower body extremity exercise, we will be doing an inline lunge. So for the inline lunge, what you're going to be doing, your starting position will be your feet a little bit wider than hip distance apart. From there, you're going to take a stride forward, just a normal stride like if you were walking. You're going to stride with your left foot forward. When you get into this position, you want to make sure that both of your feet are pointing forward. We want to make sure our hips are pointing forward as well, and our weight is evenly distributed. From here, you're going to go ahead and start to lower your back knee as low as you can to the ground, making about a 90-degree angle in that front knee, and then you come right back up to that starting position. And then from there, that will be your first repetition, and then you're going to go ahead and do 3 of those. What's really important when you're doing this exercise is that you maintain your weight evenly distributed at the center of your body. You don't want to have all of your weight on your back leg or your front leg either, okay? So you're going to go ahead and do 3 repetitions of that exercise with your left leg forward at your own pace, and then we'll go on to the next exercise, okay? Try and keep your weight a little bit more evenly distributed, okay? Okay. Better. Okay, now you're gonna go ahead and do the same exercise again. 3 repetitions. I'll give you some cues and pointers of things that I see just to correct your technique. And then before you do that next repetition, try and make those small adjustments, okay? 3 repetitions. Okay. Try and make it a little bit more fluid movement and continuous. Better. And then what I want you to do last thing is make sure that your chest is a little bit more upright rather than leaning forward. Better. Good job. So that's the end of our lower body extremity exercise. Our last one will be a push-up. So for our upper extremity exercise, we'll be doing a push-up. So for our push-up, you're going to be starting on the ground with your arms a little bit wider than shoulder distance apart. You want to have them parallel to your chest, and so that's going to be your starting position. From there, you're going to have your feet together. Your body is going to be as level as possible. We want to make sure that our hips are not sagging and they're not high in the air, because that's not going to count for a repetition. So this is your starting position. From here, you're going to lower down either before your chest hits the ground or your chin hits the ground. Okay? We also want to remember that we want to keep our elbows a little bit parallel with our body, going down in one flat motion. As I said before, we want to make sure our body is as flat as possible and level, and that we're going down at the same pace as we're going back up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this for you, and then I'll have you complete some repetitions. Okay, so you're just going to do 3 of those, and then also you want to make sure that your head is a little bit tilted upward. You don't have to look completely straight, but a little bit tilted upwards. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and do 3 repetitions. Okay, try and keep a level body. Your hips are a little high. You can go ahead and stand. Okay, and then now we're going to go ahead and do the same exercise, but we're going to get a sagittal view. So we're continuing with our upper extremity exercise, which is a push-up. So we're going to do the same exercise 3 repetitions, and then I'm going to give you the same cues and tips and pointers just to adjust your technique if I see that your technique goes astray, okay? So go ahead and you're going to do 3 repetitions. Try and keep your bottom level of your back a little bit more level. It's high. There you go. Okay, and one more. Good. Good job. So those were our upper and lower extremity exercises. I would like to thank our client Eddie here for his participation this semester, and thank you. Have a great day.